Okay, now we've just about got the union prepped up and the pipe prepped, and you see how we have the plastic insulator pushed up to the top to keep it away from the heat, so that we don't melt it. And as always, when soldering copper pipe and brass fittings, keep the heat on the fitting itself. The solder will draw to the heat, so wherever you're keeping the flames, the solder will flow to it. So this will suck the solder right up into the fitting, as long as you keep the flames on the fitting itself. And now here we're doing a vertical swept. Make sure that when you wipe the solder, that you wipe it up into the fitting, not away, but back up into the fitting. And you don't have to constantly keep the heat on the fitting, because you don't want to overheat it. Just get it hot enough to where the solder starts to melt and suck up in there. Then you get a nice seal. Okay. Now we have a 3/4 by half reducer, because the hot water heater leaving the tank is 1/2 inch, and in most homes today everything is 3/4. This is an older home. And now that it's cooled down, we can take the insulator and put it back over the brass piece. And let's put our nut back over there. And we could just kind of screw it down for now. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and solder the piece of pipe going into the cutoff valve. And right now we just don't want it too tight, just hand tight enough right now, so that we can come back later and make any adjustments that we may need to make. Now let's solder the cutoff going to the hot water tank. And if you notice, as we're soldering, that the flames are never pointing directly to the middle of the valve. So what we want to try to do is direct the flame away from the middle of the valve, so that we don't melt any washers or anything that's in the valve. And usually with a valve, you want to use as little flames as possible, not keep it on those too long, just as we're doing here.